Hi friends, welcome to Beeline Vista, a straight path to success. I know now we all are in a fear of fast spreading coronavirus. In this class, we are discussing about viruses and diseases caused by virus. Through this video, can study about different types of diseases caused by virus. This will be a question for the upcoming exams. I can assure you one question from this video. Please watch the full video. Also like and share. Viruses are the smallest of all the microbes. They are said to be so small that 500 million rhinoviruses, that is, which cause the common cold, could fit onto the head of a pin. They are unique because they are only alive and able to multiply inside the cells of other living things. The cell they multiply in is called the host cell. Before going to diseases caused by virus, we have to know what is a virus. Actually, a virus has mainly three parts. First one is RNA or DNA. Another one is capsid. Third one is glycoprotein spikes. These are the three main parts of a virus. A virus is made up of a core of genetic material, either DNA or RNA, surrounded by a protective coat called a capsid, which is made up of protein. Sometimes the capsid is surrounded by an additional spiky coat called envelope. Viruses are capable of latching onto host cells and getting inside them. Viruses only exist to make more viruses. The virus particle attaches to the host cell before penetrating it. The virus then uses the host cell's machinery to replicate its own genetic material. Once replication has been completed, the virus particles leave the host by either budding or bursting out of the cell. That is called lysis. What is budding? As the newly formed viral particle pushes against the host cell's plasma membrane, a portion adheres to it. The plasma membrane envelops the virus and becomes the viral envelope. The virus is released from the cell. This process slowly uses up the host cell's membrane and usually leads to cell death. Next, lysis. Lysis means the virus particle bursts out of the cell into the extracellular space, resulting in the death of the host cell. Once the virus has escaped from the host cell, it is ready to enter a new cell and multiply. What are the main viruses? HIV virus, Ebola virus, hepatitis B, adenovirus, influenza virus, and bacteriophage. Next, we are discussing about major virus diseases. Here, mainly we are discussing about smallpox, dengue virus, HIV, Nipah virus, Ebola virus, chikungunya, Zika virus, H5N1. Finally, we are discussing about COVID-19, that is coronavirus. Smallpox. Smallpox caused by one of two viruses variants. First, variola major and variola minor. This disease initially affects the respiratory system. Then virus invades the bloodstream and spread to the skin, intestine, lungs, kidneys, and brain. The World Health Organization, that is WHO, certified the global eradication of the disease in 1980. Next, chickenpox. Chickenpox caused by varicella virus. Measles or German measles is caused by rubella virus. Influenza flu is caused by influenza A and B viruses. Next, dengue virus. Dengue virus or DENV is the cause of dengue fever. Dengue virus is a single positive stranded RNA virus of the family Flaviviridae, genus Flavivirus. Five serotypes of the virus have been found, all of which can cause the full spectrum of disease. Dengue viruses are spread to people through the bite of an infected Aedes species, that is Aedes aegypti mosquito. Yellow fever virus is an RNA virus that belongs to the genus Flavivirus. It is related to West Nile, St. Louis encephalitis, and Japanese encephalitis viruses. Yellow fever virus is transmitted to people primarily through the bites of infected Aedes or Haemococcus species mosquitoes. Next one is AIDS. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome is caused by a virus called human immunodeficiency virus HIV. HIV is a virus spread through certain body fluids that attacks the body's immune system, specifically the CD4 cells, often called T cells. These special cells help the immune system fight off infections. Over time, HIV can destroy so many of these cells that the body can't fight off infections and disease. Next, main virus. The Nipah virus is a type of RNA virus in the genus Henipavirus. The virus normally circulates among specific type of fruit bats called flying foxes. Actually, fruit bats of the Podidae family are the natural host of Nipah virus. It can both spread between people and from other animals like pigs to people. Spread typically requires direct contact with an infected source. Next is SARS. SARS means severe acute respiratory syndrome, is a contagious and sometimes fatal respiratory illness caused by a coronavirus named SARS-CoV. Ebola virus disease EVD, also known as Ebola hemorrhagic fever, that is EHF, or simply Ebola is a viral hemorrhagic fever of human and other primates caused by Ebola viruses. The viruses that EVD are located mainly in sub-Saharan Africa. People can get EVD through the direct contact with an infected animal, that is bat or non-human primate, or a sick or dead person infected with Ebola virus. Next is chikungunya. Chikungunya is a viral disease transmitted to humans by infected mosquitoes. It causes fever and severe joint pain. Other symptoms include muscle pain, headache, nausea, fatigue, and rash. Chikungunya virus is an RNA virus that belongs to the alpha virus genus of the family Tocaviridae. Swine flu was first recognized in the 1919 pandemic and still circulates as a seasonal flu virus. Swine flu is caused by the H1N1 virus strain which started in pigs. Next one is Zika virus or ZIKV, pronounced Zika, is a member of a virus family Flaviviridae. It is spread by daytime active Aedes mosquitoes such as Aedes aegypti and albopicets. Its name comes from the Zika forest of Uganda, where the virus was first isolated in 1947. H5N1 is a type of influenza virus that causes a highly infectious, severe respiratory disease in birds called avian influenza or bird flu. Finally, COVID 19. Coronavirus disease is caused by SARS CoV 2 virus, a novel coronavirus.